What is fluoropolymer injection molding? It is a manufacturing process used to produce highly chemical-resistant, high-purity plastic components for medical, semiconductor, laboratory, and industrial applications. Fluoropolymers perform where conventional plastics often fail. Fluoropolymers like UHP PFA, PFA, FEP, PVDF, and ECTFE are chosen for chemical resistance and purity. These materials are commonly used in medical devices, semiconductor manufacturing equipment, laboratory instrumentation, and chemical processing systems where purity and chemical resistance are critical. Fluoropolymer molding demands high processing temperatures and corrosion-resistant equipment. Precision tooling and advanced process controls are essential to meet tight tolerances and repeatability. Direct gating can cut expensive resin waste by an estimated 20 to 40%, improving efficiency and consistency. Injection molding scales well when volumes increase or complex geometries require repeatable production. Material selection depends on chemical resistance, sterilization, transparency, and purity needs. Capabilities include CT scanning, material traceability, net shape molding, and support for FDA submissions. 4 decades of fluoropolymer experience at Pexco support medical, semiconductor, and high-purity manufacturing needs. The main takeaway is partner selection affects risk, cost control, and moving complex parts from concept to production. If you develop components that require high purity or chemical resistance, contact Pexco's engineering team to evaluate the best materials and molding options today at pexco.com.